So this is Gibbon Falls. Oh, they're already holding their noses. That's hot. Okay, this is Artist Paintpots. I'm gonna go take a little walk. Here comes my hikers. Do you think bears like chocolate? Danger, loose footing. Did you see that?
Yeah, looks like something out of like Star Wars. That represented what Daddy's tummy looks like after he eats a bunch of beans.
Guys, ready to see some more geysers?
Why they gotta be called geysers? Why can't they be called geysers?
This is so cool. Good morning. Well, good afternoon actually. Michael's been working and we got a little bit of a late start again today, but we're gonna try to do the upper loop. Yellowstone today. So we are headed to Norris Geyser Basin. First we're gonna stop at Artist Paintpots.
And I lost a tooth.
And Presley lost a tooth yesterday.
And I got $5 from the tooth fairy.
And she got $5 from the tooth fairy. That's very exciting, isn't it? We'll always remember that Presley lost her first, like, front upper in Yellowstone.
Continue on Grand Loop Road.
So we just turned on to the Grand Loop, left from West Yellowstone, and we're headed toward Norris Geyser Basin and then Mammoth Springs, I believe. So it should be a full day, but we do plan on trying to be back by dinner. We are going to be back by dinner, so we have to hurry.
I most definitely do have some places that we should not miss on this drive, and a couple of great optional stops as well.
Get out and look at a waterfall real fast.
Yeah.
I say real fast. We'll see what parking's like.
So this is Gibbon Falls. So the Brinkle Falls Trail,
Gibbon Falls.
and then Falls Overlook, Lower Overlook. Are we just gonna do? We're just gonna do the overlook, or are we doing the trail?
We'll go right here to Brink Falls. That's only 75 feet. The brink. It's at the right at the edge. That's what it is. It's just the brink.
Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness.
Look at that, guys. Wow. That's beautiful, huh?
Spring is a popular attraction that sits right beside the road and only takes a very short stop to visit.
All right, this is going to be Barrel Spring. Oh, they're already holding their noses.
Look at it, boiling.
That's hot. You get over here, it doesn't smell as bad. It still smells.
Isn't that crazy, buddy? Kellen, does this one smell any better? Does it smell good?
Over here it smells good. Over here and over here it smells good. And then you get over there.
Yeah, it smells bad.
My next recommended stop is at Artist Paintpots. You'll see the turn coming up, and that will drive us into the parking area.
Okay, this is Artist Paintpots. We're gonna go take a little walk. Let's see.
We're doing walking there.
Here comes my hikers. What do you think? And she's got chocolate all over her face. Do you think bears like chocolate? What?
Yes.
Yeah? Does anybody not like chocolate?
No.
No.
At least this walk has shade.
Yeah, it has a little bit of shade, right? Goes in and out. And when we get to the actual pots, though, it's probably not going to be shaded. So, but that's not that big of a deal. But the hat helps.
Okay, so either way, I guess. Which way you want to go first? Left or right? Looks like there's two things this way. Let's go this way first. Watch your sunglasses. You're gonna fall off your head into the water and they'll be gone. They'll probably melt immediately. Danger, loose footing. Watch out, don't get off that. Didn't see that.
While the name of this geyser evokes images of a gruesome event, concentration of iron oxide as the water
Precipitates?
precipitates out, staining the surrounding rocks a rich red. It has been busily erupting since it was first recorded in 1882. This geyser can erupt to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, and discharges 150 gallons a minute.
Wow.
Bloop.
See that one?
So wild.
It's making funny noise.
I know. Interesting.
It is, isn't it? Oh, it's spitting up. Looks like something out of like Star Wars. What do you think, buddy? Is it funny? Yeah. So do you know what the inside of what that was a depiction of? It was a mud pot, but you know what that represented? That represented what Daddy's tummy looks like after he eats a bunch of beans.
Our important junction is just ahead. To visit the Norris Geyser Basin, we'll turn left to enter.
Guys, ready to see some more geysers?
Why do they gotta be called geysers? Why can't they be called geysers?
Sexist. Norris Museum. So cool. Goodness gracious, can you imagine coming here for the first time and finding this and being like, what in the world?
You said you think you know why everything got so burnt?
Yeah.
Okay, why is that?
So when the volcano erupts, it makes the ground burnt because lava is hot.
That's right. Good job. That's absolutely correct.
Sunday geyser. It's not doing anything right now, huh? It's very quiet.
Maybe it only erupts on Sundays.
Maybe. Today's not Sunday.
It's Tuesday.
So when the volcano erupts, the lava comes down here, and then it makes the floor hot because lava is hot.
Yeah. That's very, very close. The lava's underneath. Doesn't look very constant to me.
Yeah.
Seems pretty quiet. Whirl Giga Geyser.
Like,
Very, very hot.
is that water hot?
Yes, very. Extremely hot. The more blue it is, the hotter it is. That's green, which is the next down from blue. Blue is the hottest, and then green would probably be second hottest. That's what I was told. Hopefully that's right.
Do you know what all those little brown things are?
Bison poop.
Exactly what it is.
That's bison poop?
Yeah, that's all bison poop. Obviously there were some bison here not too long ago.
Can't smell it. Might have been sitting here a while.
Yeah.
Why is it
Whale's
called
mouth.
whale's mouth?
Because it looks like a whale's mouth when it's opening.
It looks like a fish.
That's pretty
Oh,
deep.
yeah. I don't want to know how deep it is. I feel like nothing's erupting. What's happening here? Did we come at a bad time? Maybe we ought to walk out to the overlook. Ooh, it's blue over there.
Look at it bubbling up over there.
So we're walking the back basin loop, although we're not going to walk the whole thing. This is Emerald Spring. Wow. That's pretty. That's cool. I like that one. Crazy how hot that is.
Choice. Only a small proportion of visitors take this short side trip. This used to be the original road to allow a shorter route across the park to get to the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone from the west side of the park.
So this would have been dirt road, and then it was a two-way road, and the people would have to squeeze by each other. Thanks. Here's the waterfall, guys. Have you stayed yet? There's nowhere to park.